Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Heather Farley, and I'm the chair of the Department of Criminal Justice, Public Policy, and Management here at the College of Coastal Georgia. And I work within the School of Business and Public Management. And I am here with one of our tutors on campus, Maddie
Hi.
Morgan. And Maddie is going to talk to us a little bit about the attic and how the attic can help our students who are taking online classes specifically. So Maddie is a criminal justice major and is a very successful criminal justice major. So tell us a little bit about yourself and what made you want to become a tutor at the attic.
My name is Maddie. I am in my third year at the college. I originally came to study marine biology and then quickly decided that wasn't for me. So I switched to criminal justice. I decided to become a tutor because I'm originally from North Georgia. So moving down to Brunswick was a bit of a change. And I know a lot of kids around here are going through the same thing. And I struggled my first year finding a place. So the attic was kind of a home. So I wanted to make everybody feel like they're welcomed.
That's amazing. Thank you. And can students who are taking classes online, can they get virtual tutoring, and how does that work?
So if you need virtual tutoring, you just need to email the attic. And the email for that is attic@ccga.edu.
Perfect.
And then you just say what you need help in, and then one of the tutors that is able to tutor in that subject, they will be assigned to you and will help virtually for that. The college also offers tutor.com. It's a 24-hour service that the college pays for students. There's a link in D2L for it. The students on tutor.com are not from the college, but are educated in helping with that subject.
Oh, that's perfect. That's really convenient.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. And what kinds of classes could students in the School of Business and Public Management get tutoring in? Is there a list somewhere that they can access?
So in Portside, there is a link for Find a Tutor. It shows like all the different subjects that is possible to tutor in. So people in the online business program, if they need help with like algebra, or for my criminal justice people, constitutional law, I can tutor that.
That's a big one.
Yes. It's available for them to find tutors for that.
Perfect. And talk to us a little bit about some of the benefits of tutoring. Why would a student want to attend a tutoring session?
So a lot of people like me work better in a one-on-one environment. I'm not the type of person, well, I kind of am the type of person to ask questions in class. But some people just they don't like doing that. So it's better if they can ask questions in a private setting where maybe they feel more comfortable, or they're not afraid of failure in a setting like that. A lot of kids also focus more possibly with that. I know some kids, it's hard for them to focus because of other kids around them, or maybe the teacher's talking a bit too fast and they couldn't write everything down. So they come to tutoring and they can get help with like, hey, I don't really understand this concept. It's kind of talking too fast, but can you understand that to me?
Yeah, that's perfect. Good. And we know that students who attend tutoring do better in their classes. They just score better and are more successful. So visit Portside, check out the attic, see if there's a tutor who might help you in a class that you're having challenges with. Email them if you need some virtual tutoring, and good luck. We hope you have a great rest of the spring semester.
Bye.